Hi friends, in this class we continue previous class. I given some formulas, but lot of formulas are there. While doing the problem I will tell you, time being this is enough I hope. Now furtherly I will go some important formulas we discuss. Suppose y is equal to f of x plus g of x, two functions. Dy by dx how we will do? Separately can do f dash x plus g dash x, or what means what? df by dx d. Suppose y is equal to sin x plus cos x, what we will do? dy by dx is equal to what? d by dx of sin x plus d by dx of cos x. This is equal to what? Sin x differentiation cos x plus cos means what I told, minus sin x. So this is one formula, is important formula. Then next formula is what? Actually first I want to tell you this. Y is equal to some constant into f of x. So take this fellow outside. dy by dx how can you do? K into f dash x. Suppose y is equal to 100 tan x. Don't worry about 100 because 100 is constant. dy by dx what you will write? 100 into dy dx of tan x. Tan x differentiation already we are familiar. So what you know? 100 secant square x, enough. This is the constant. Then another rule, product rule. So many people they will read a UV rule like this. You can remember as a product only. This I will tell you. Suppose y is equal to u dot u into v, where u and v are what? Functions of x, not a constant. Remember. Okay. Then dy by dx how I will write? One fellow you can leave, one fellow you can differentiate. Any one thing. Suppose you can leave means what? V dash plus what you differentiated v. Then you leave this fellow which is not differentiated, that you can differentiate u dash. Suppose three fellows are there. Y is equal to u, v, w. Then what you will do? Start. One fellow you can differentiate, leave the remaining two. But into you can write. Then second fellow you can differentiate v dash w. Then third fellow you can differentiate u, v, w dash. Suppose if we have four functions also, what you will do? One fellow, then second fellow, third fellow, fourth fellow, plus. This is called product rule. Product rule. Then they will tell quotient rule. Quotient rule means what? You will have a fraction u is y is equal to u by v. Same story actually. U is function of x, v is function of x. So don't remember it's a constant. Some sin x by cos x like this. See, y is equal to means what? I don't want to tell u by v. I will tell numerator by denominator. Numerator by denominator. Then dy by dx how I will write? You see. Y is equal to numerator by denominator I am writing. Then what you will do? dy by dx denominator whole square. First you can write denominator whole square. Denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator by differentiation to denominator. So how can you remember? Nurse by doctor. Doctor always down, nurse should be top. You can remember. So denominator square, denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. Suppose if I have y is equal to sin x by cos x. What I am telling? dy by dx. Cos x denominator square, cos square x. Then denominator into differentiation of numerator sin x, differentiation is what? Cos x. Then formula minus. Then numerator into differentiation of denominator is what? Cos x is what? Minus sin x. Then this is equal to what? Cos square x plus sin square x by cos square x. But cos square plus sin square x, we are familiar, 1 by cos square x. 1 by cos square x is what? C means I told you already my trigonometric class, secant square x. But who is sin by cos? Tan. See how nicely I proved. Tan x differentiation is what? Secant square x. In my life, nearly past 25 hours, I am taking sin by cos. This formula tell, nobody will tell sin by cos tan x is equal to secant square x. Looking at that, you can think actually. While seeing this, how to attack the problem. Sin by cos is what? Tan x. Tan x definition is what? Secant square x. Why you are doing u by v method? So, while doing tell, I will tell what is this. Like this, everyone will tell. In my career, maybe 3-4 students they said actually sin by cos is secant square x. Only 3-4 students in my 25 years career, I got only 4 students. They are brilliant. Okay or not? This is the way, u by v. I hope this formula is enough. Then lot of things are there while doing the differentiation, logarithmic function, function of function, then implicit function, explicit function. Now we are doing explicit, implicit function, then logarithmic, partial fraction, then nth derivative. Lot of things are there while doing the problem one by one. Time being, this is enough up to basic formulas. After that, how to attack the problem one by one I will do. Okay, bye. Thank you watching my video. Bye.